Women in Afghanistan have few of the rights enjoyed by men, and now some may have even fewer. The Afghan parliament passed a bill intended to give the minority Shia community their own identity, but the latest draft appears to strip women of rights as simple as leaving the house without permission from a male relative, and as extreme as allowing a man to have sexual intercourse with his wife, even if she says no. Critics of the bill wonder how what amounts to rape in marriage can be passed by Parliament and signed by President Hamid Karzai into law. And some lawmakers are baffled as well. This is the conference room where the lower house of the Parliament initially debated the Shia state law. Out of the 249 members in the lower house, 68 of those are women. And some of those women actually voted for the bill to pass. Fawzia Koofi voted against it, a rare voice for women's rights in a very conservative, male-dominated country. Following her father's footsteps, she went into politics and is a member of the Afghan parliament. She says that after the vote, there was confusion. Some MPs had no idea what they were voting for, and now those without voices will suffer.
But my fear is that women and children in Afghanistan are always the victim of political games. I mean, they don't have the gun to fight. They cannot create a mass.
For the international community, the law is a problem. It wants a free Afghanistan to make its own decisions, but this law is an affront to the principles of many donors. And Fawzia Koofi says they should not be silent.
I think in certain cases, the international community also forget its role. We don't I don't ask international community to come and make laws for us, but they have to make the government of Afghanistan accountable for their commitment to women and children situation and basically human rights situation in this country.
Critics of the law hope the Supreme Court might rule that it's at odds with Article 22 of the Afghan Constitution, which promises equal rights to all citizens, man and woman. Most Afghans haven't yet heard of the law, but at least one Shia man thought it appropriate.
Shia people are in Afghanistan. They are a part of Afghanistan, and there needs to be a law that they go by and follow.
The women? They're harder to find and less ready to speak up. Atiya Abawi, CNN, Kabul.